Hi guys, welcome to Tech 360. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Chrome full screen not working or full screen glitch or not maximizing. In this case, opening a new Chrome to show you if it's like this, the half, then what you're gonna do is, if it doesn't work, you clicking this one but it is not working, then what to do, put your cursor on that specific Chrome browser and press shift and right click, then you'll find here maximize. But how to solve this issue permanently, I'm gonna show you now. Go to three dot icon which is top right corner. Now click on settings. Now right here, disable hardware acceleration. Right here, hardware acceleration, this one, make sure it is disable, not enable. Make sure it is disable. After that, you'll find here reset settings. Sorry, not reset, but privacy and security. Now you'll find here clear browsing data. Click on this and you have to check all of this but except two things, which is here, which is password and autofill. Without these two things, you just click on check-in. Okay, now click on clear data. Now just scroll down and you'll find here one thing which is reset. Okay, you'll find here reset settings. Click on this reset settings and click on again and click on reset settings. Your all settings will be resetted. Okay, and it will be default. So this is how you can do this, guys. So if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.